Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify, so no code need. So let's jump straight into it. First of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard here. Then you have to click on apps. This one you can see apps. You have to tap onto it. After tapping onto it, go to the Shopify app store. In the search bar type Aliexpress. I mean Ali reviews. You have to type Ali reviews, not AliExpress. Okay, look for Ali reviews, then product reviews by Fire apps or Jake. So depending on the horse showing, both are solid. Like here you can see Ali reviews, Amazon reviews, Ali reviews, etc. So click add app and follow the prompts to install it. Like free plan available for who wish to continue with free ones. You have to tap onto add app first, then you have to add it to your Shopify store, and then you can choose the basic or premium one. You can see there are 30 reviews import per product, 5 product limit for import. Customers can post reviews, and for on the premium one you can add unlimited reviews, unlimited products, automated product review email, fully customizable widget, can edit imported reviews, add your own reviews and CV format, rich Google snippet, product page review pop-up, choose, etc. So once installed, go to your Ali reviews dashboard. Here you can see this. You have to head over to this site, then click on manage reviews. Here you can see manage reviews. You have to tap onto it. As you can see, manage reviews, you have to tap onto it. Then you have to tap onto import reviews. You have to go to aliexpress.com, then find the exact product you are selling. You have to copy the product URL from the browser, then paste the AliExpress product link into Ali reviews. You have to choose your filter, like for review language like English. You can star rating like 3, 4, 5 stars, look more authentic. Then select the number of reviews you want to import, then click import. Go back to your product page in Shopify now. After completing these steps, scroll down to the bottom of the product. You should now see the imported reviews live. Customer can also add their own reviews now. So, and that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and drop your question in the comments. I am also giving away my full ecom course for free. Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.